Welcome back to our series where we're exploring the crossroads between gas grills and public health. In this video, we're going to talk about some safe grilling practices. The first, most obvious step to safe grilling is regular maintenance of gas grills. Did you know that clean grates and burners can greatly reduce the accumulation of harmful chemicals and minimize the risk of flare-ups? A grill brush or even a simple piece of aluminum foil can effectively keep your grates clean. But remember, proper maintenance isn't just about cleanliness. Regular checks for gas leaks, cracks, and other potential issues are just as important. And a hidden tip, don't use a grill brush that has metal tips. Those metal tips have caused instances where people have ingested them and has caused internal scarring. Now let's talk about proper grill operation. Preparing your grill to the optimal temperature and maintaining it at that temperature can contribute to safer grilling. Too much heat can cause overcooking and charring, which we now know can lead to the formation of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons and heterocyclic amines. Learning how to control the grilling temperature is essential for any grilling enthusiast. And of course, we can't discuss safe grilling without mentioning ventilation, especially when grilling indoors or in enclosed spaces. Smoke that is generated from grilling contains potential harmful compounds, so it's important to ensure good ventilation to minimize exposure. Simple practices like keeping a window open or using an exhaust fan or having an air purifier can make the biggest difference. I have air purifiers in every single room, including the living room, and in addition, smoke and carbon monoxide detectors can quickly detect whether there is a leak or too much carbon monoxide in your area. And the last thing I want to mention is using protective equipment like grill gloves and long handle tools can protect you from burns and other physical injury, adding another layer of safety to your grilling experience. And that's all I have for this week's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please let us know by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Until the next week's video, take care.